Nandini Gupta from Rajasthan won Femina Miss India World 2023 crown in a grand ceremony on Saturday. She has taken the nation by storm with her intelligence and beauty. Along with Nandini, the country got its new beauty queens of the year, including Shreya Poonja from Delhi became the first runner-up and Manipur's Strela Luwang a second runner-up. The 19-year-old hailing from Kota of Rajasthan had an inspiring journey to the crown. Nandini Gupta showed exceptional organizational and hospitality skills when she was a little girl. She was motivated by this encounter to seek a business management degree. The 19-year-old is of the opinion that failures are essential in defining one's identity. So, as she sets out on the voyage of a lifetime, she is determined to face all the difficulties, setbacks, and rejections that may come her way. She is aware that difficulties will certainly emerge, but she is ready to face them head-on by viewing setbacks and failures as teaching moments. Nandini is dedicated to conquering challenges and succeeding. As a 10-year-old, she always dreamed of competing in the prestigious pageant, desiring the crown for its beauty. However, as she grew older, Nandini came to the realization that it was much more than just the crown. It was a unique journey that only a select few would have the opportunity to experience. As Miss India World 2023, Nandini Gupta has a lot to look forward to, including representing India at international pageants and promoting various causes close to her heart. She has already become a role model for many young women who aspire to follow in her footsteps. In conclusion, Nandini Gupta's journey to the Femina Miss India World 2023 crown is an inspiration to all. Her hard work, dedication, and talent have helped her reach the pinnacle of success, and her story is a reminder that anyone can achieve their dreams with perseverance and the right attitude. We from Bird English wish her all the best in her future endeavors.